Good morning, students. Welcome back in our second revision class. In my last class, I told you about the reign of terror and the directory rule. Today, we are going to start the next topic, that is woman and revolution. It's a very important question that what was the role of the woman in French Revolution? I am telling you, students, role of woman in French Revolution was unparalleled, very important and unparalleled. From the very beginning, women were the active participants of this movement. And I am telling you, they brought so many important changes in French society that was really priceless and unparalleled. Most of the women of the third estate had to work for a living. They worked as laundress, sold flowers, fruits and vegetables at the market, or were employed as domestic servants in the houses of the prosperous people. Most women did not have access to education or job training, etc. Only the daughters of noble and wealthier member of the third estate could study, etc., etc. So when the French Revolution started, women participated in this movement directly or indirectly. When the men were busy with the revolution on the field, they were taking care of household activities. So their participation was really unparalleled. Now the question is why they did all these. They did all this because they had a great expectation that after the revolution definitely they will get several rights along with men. And even I am telling you, students, French women also directly participated in the in the revolution. How? In order to discuss and voice their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers also. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, this club, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, was the most famous of them. And their main demand, they had several demands, and one of their main demands was to get the political right. Political right means right to vote along with the men. But students, after the French Revolution, when the constitution was formed, when the National Assembly government came into power, they made the constitution in 1791, and in this constitution they were reduced to the passive citizens. Means women were reduced to the passive citizens, and their demand for vote they never got. But it was during the Robespierre government, that is convention government, that women got a lot of rights, including the rights of getting education, marriage of their own choice, divorce, etc. But even the right to vote was not given to them by the convention government. And students, at last in France, women got the right to vote, that is political right, in the year 1946. So when finally the French women got the right to vote, that was in 1946. They got, yes, in 1946 they got the right to vote. So this is what women and revolution is all about. Now in next topic we will learn abolition of slavery. Now slavery was one of the most important, I can say, dark spot of the French society. Slavery was quite common in the French society, and I am telling you, students, even after the French Revolution, slavery was not eradicated, abolished from France. The colonies in the Caribbean, means the French colonies in the Caribbean, they were supporting this slave trade or slavery because they need slaves to work in the plantations. And in fact, there was a triangular slave trade was going on between Europe, Africa and America. And this triangular slave trade, through this triangular slave trade, the slaves were transferred from Africa to the French colonies of Caribbean and other areas. And these slaves were never given any right, even after the French Revolution, which was meant for equality and fraternity. But I am telling you, students, when the convention government came to the power, that is when the Robespierre government came to the power, slavery was finally abolished in 1794. This was one of the most important action taken by the convention government. But unfortunately, students, when Napoleon came to the power, once again slavery was reintroduced. So this is how abolition of slavery was there in France. Okay, understood? We'll continue with this.